Hey, it's Chef Chaney coming at you from the kitchen today. Today, homemade pound cake. Woo! Straight out of Mississippi. This is a recipe that you gotta get. You gotta try. So what I have in here right now, I have my vegetable shortening and I have a half a pound of butter, 2 sticks. And what I'm going to do is just let my mixer do the work. Get this creamed up real good. And as this is creaming up, I have 3 cups of sugar right here. So just slowly add the sugar in there. And again, just right as we're letting that sugar get in there, I have 5 eggs right here. And what I'm going to do is add 1 egg at a time. Slowly beating it. Oh yeah, it's becoming a nice creamy, silky-like texture to do the work. Also, while my eggs are being added, my oven is set at 350 degrees. I got my pans right here that I will make sure I coat with a good baking spray so that they don't stick. Very important. Once I get this last egg in, then I'm going to pick up the speed of my mixer here. But right now, I have it on 2. Now, I can go from 0 to stir, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But I have it on 2 right now. And then I'll increase the speed after I get my last egg in here. And there we go. The last egg. All right, so my eggs are well beat. I got my sugar, my shortening, and also my butter, all mixed. So I have my dry ingredients here. I have 3 cups of flour. It's best to use this cake flour. Makes for a better cake. Also, I have a half teaspoon of fine salt. Everybody know about Morton's. And I also have a half teaspoon of Clabber Girl. I just want to give a shout out to Terre Haute because that's where I went to school, Indiana State University, baby. But Clabber Girl is made right there in Terre Haute. So you got to have that baking powder in there. That's how you get that cake to bake. And then you have a cup of milk. So what's next? We're going to mix in the dry with a little wet. And we're going to start with the dry. So we got our mixer going again. Got it taken up a little bit. We're going to put it like that. I'm going to add. What we're going to do, we're going to alternate with this. So we're going to add a little flour, then we're going to add a little milk. Now we're just going to let this work for a little bit. Now the next step is to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And I like the McCormick's. It's pure vanilla extract. So add that in there. And as that continues to beat, I take my pan and I have my Baker's Joy here. Here's my pan. Just give it a liberal amount all around the edges, up on the side. Because we don't want that cake to stick once you bring it out. So once you have that fully coated, let this sit there. This right here is looking good. I'm going to take it up just 1 more notch. Good. I got to give some credit. I got a good friend. He's from Mississippi. He shared this recipe with me. So shout out to you, Dennis Stubb. All right, we're all done. So we're going to transfer this into the pan. It's time to bake. As you can see, I have the cake in the pan. I got it evened out. Again, my oven is set to 350. I got my timer up here ready. We're going to put this cake in here for 60 minutes at 350 degrees. And we hit that timer button and it's going. We're going to check back in a few minutes just to, All right, it's out. It cooked for right at 1 hour. Poured it out. Let it set out, cool. End result, a beautiful pound cake. And always has a great chef. You make a little one on the side so you can try. So I got a piece of my little one. It's cut. It's real moist on the inside. You can just see the caramelization of a little bit of the sugar, which was in the batter, on the outside. So it has a nice crust on there. Got my glass of milk. Let's give it a try. It's so moist, and you can just taste the flavor in there, that vanilla, that cake flour. Oh man, it's remarkable. Always can have a little white mustache. This is great. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. Send me some responses back. My email address is aznupe@AOL. After you cook it, let me know. Chef Chaney from ISU, K Side Kappa's in the kitchen, out.